Finance professionals and tax practitioners want government to engage more with stakeholders before pushing next year's finance bill to the National Assembly. Members of the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants and the Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria stated this at an interactive forum on the Finance Act in Lagos. Yusuf Akogu reports.
The new Finance Act, signed into law by President Muhammadu Buhari in January, is aimed at promoting fiscal equity by mitigating instances of regressive taxation, reforming domestic tax laws to align with global best practices. The Act will also help to introduce tax incentives for investment in infrastructure and capital markets, supporting macro, small and medium-sized businesses in line with the administration's ease of doing business reforms, amongst others. Professionals in the finance and taxation sectors are here to provide more insight into details of these documents.
One of the issues first of all is to educate people, inform people, and also develop more capacity in terms of who are going to be the players in implementing the bill, and how aware and how educated are they about it.
It is very, very important for the government to engage stakeholders, because it is, who are you doing the laws for? Stakeholders. It is important that stakeholders understand and have a buy-in of what you want to do. It is when they have buy-in that they take ownership of it.
West African tax leader and partner with PwC provides clarification on the tax identification number as a requirement for operating bank accounts under the new Finance Act.
The provisions are very clear. If you are a company, you need TIN to operate your bank account. If you are an individual and you use your account for business purposes, that is when you need TIN. As of today, if you're an individual, you have a private account and you're not using it for business, you don't need to worry about TIN, but I would encourage you to get TIN, because in any case, every adult, anybody earning income must file their returns. To be able to do that, they need their TIN.
The tax authority agrees to look into concerns raised by stakeholders.
We are going to engage professionals, stakeholders, and everyone that will, even taxpayers, to ensure that by the next Finance Act, it will be more robust. There will be less controversies, there will be less areas of conflicts, and that will help to ensure that whatever Finance Act that is coming out subsequently will be administered seamlessly.
These professionals believe that proper implementation of the Finance Act will align Nigerian tax laws with global best practices. Yusuf Akogu, TVC News, Lagos.